Hey guys, hot and sweaty Mac here. It's another beautiful day in London, and today I've been out playing with this bad boy. And I am testing these bad boys. That's a GoPro Hero 6 and a GoPro Hero 7. I've always been a massive fan of the GoPros. I've got a drawer full of them going right back to the original one. And I bought a couple of Hero 6s in South Africa last year. Really didn't get on with them. I bought a gimbal as well, the Karma Grip. Doesn't work on my bike, which is the main reason I bought them. Basically it goes off center and eventually just ends up all over the place. And you find tucked away in the manual that it says, doesn't work on a bike. All kinds of problems with it. I'd find that it had just randomly shut off, so I'd missed stuff. And this is on both of them, by the way. So it wasn't just a faulty unit, and I kind of gave up with them and went back to the Hero 5 and the 4s that I had. The Hero 7, I saw when it came out, had inbuilt stabilisation, so that I found quite interesting. I wanted to see what it looks like on my bike, so that's why I have a Hero 6 and a Hero 7 on my bike, and I've been out playing in London. So I'm not going to do a full review because there's tons of reviews out there. What I am going to do though is just show you the footage. They're both 2.7K, 25 frames per second. Let's put them up side by side and see what the stabilised footage looks like. One quick thing before I just quickly show you the footage. What was I saying about the Hero 6 being garbage? Well, it got about 15 minutes in and just randomly cut off, so I only got a bit of footage. I'll show you the two bits that compare up and you can have a look at those, but personally I'd avoid the Hero 6. Like I say, I think it's garbage.